If you're still obsessed with the domain authority score or stuffing keywords into your content, then you're optimizing for 2015 and not 2026. Let me break down what actually moves the needle this year and what's a complete waste of your time. Google doesn't rank you based on one static checklist anymore. It works in layers: relevancy, quality, and then the trust. AI search tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, Google AI overviews then decide whether to cite you or not. So today it's not just about ranking a page, but it's about getting selected as the answer. Here's what really works. First, genuine expertise. Content with the real examples and first hand results always beat generic advice. Second, the content that fully answers the questions. Depth always beats the word count. So always make sure your content is written in depth and that answers the questions completely. Third, brand mentions on website that AI already trusts, the press, magazines, podcasts, roundups, etc. So make sure you mention your brand on the websites that have high authority. It matters as much as gaining a backlink. Fourth is the structure. Answer the core of the question in first 2 to 3 sentences in every section, because AI generally pulls the chunk of the content and not the whole piece. And fifth is the most basic core web vitals: website speed, mobile responsiveness, etc. It would not make you number one, but skipping these can keep you out of the race entirely. Now, let me tell you what not to focus on. Number one, chasing the domain authority score, because Google does not even look at that metric while ranking. Second, keyword stuffing. Third, publishing tons of thin content pages. Fourth, buying bulk backlinks. And fifth, obsessing over your meta descriptions, because AI does not look at the tags that you write, but it focuses on the actual content of your web page. SEO is not dead, it's just evolved. Do the fundamentals well, be genuinely useful, and get mentioned where AI looks for trust. Drop your website in the comments below, and I'll share with you how you can do the audit in less than 60 seconds. Thank you.